here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing something that's different than my usual videos. As you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a filming setup, kind of like tour and stuff, and I'm just gonna like take you through like my lights and my camera and stuff, like the stuff I used to film, what I like about it, what I don't necessarily like about it, what I recommend, and all that stuff. Obviously I'm like a beginner, like a new, not new because I've been on YouTube for like a little bit, but like I'm obviously like not a big YouTuber, so most of this stuff is gonna be inexpensive. I mean, I hate when I see videos that's like inexpensive and the stuff's really expensive. But I got all this stuff, well, besides like the camera, on Amazon. So yeah, this is gonna be cool, I guess. So I guess if you guys just want to see a inexpensive, beginner friendly, and also the reason why I'm saying like beginner friendly is because it's really easy, even if you're like not that tech savvy, like it's pretty easy to like use this stuff or whatever. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm using my vlog camera, as you can see. So if the quality isn't like as good as regular, that's why. So I guess I'm just gonna get started on showing you guys like my filming setup and everything. So this is my desk. It's a little messy right now just because when I film videos, it's honestly just like a hot mess, and that's just like my computer or whatever. And then I have a little fan there just in case like I get hot filming or whatever. So this is my desk. It's just like a little foldable desk or whatever. And then this is my whole filming setup, and I'll get more in depth like right now. So I actually have this really cool mirror that's like a light up mirror, but it's not plugged in right now just because like I just don't have it plugged in right now. So I have this, and it's really nice because it's like really big. So yeah, that's nice. And another cool thing about this is that it like moves side to side, or I mean circular. So it can be like this, but it can also be like this, which is really nice. And then I guess I can show you guys what's on my desk. I just have like this acrylic like organizer, even though nothing on this is organized, and I just put like my makeup for whatever video I'm doing like for that day. And like I said, I have this little fan just in case I get like hot or whatever. My beat pillow is just there for music. And then I have some palettes over here, usually just like whatever video I was doing, I'll leave the palettes here or whatever. Usually it's way worse than this. I actually took a picture one time, so I'll put the picture here. And then I just have my computer here for right now just because like I forget I was doing something. And then this is just the little lens protector for my camera. And then I have this caboodle. It's a mess right now, obviously, because this is a makeup like desk. So I have this caboodle just to make the mirror like higher, because like my camera's all the way up there, so I want to be able to like see the mirror here, and I don't want to like be looking down and stuff. And now I have these two umbrella lights. These were really cool because I'm pretty sure the set that I got with these umbrella lights is they came with like tripods and then a backdrop. I think I don't use the backdrop anymore because it looked too like I just wasn't feeling it, so I didn't get rid of it, I still have it, but like I don't use that anymore. But I have these two umbrella lights. I honestly kind of want box lights. I mean, I like the way that they look and stuff in the videos, but I don't like the way that they look in my room, which is annoying because they're just like umbrellas with like pointy things. And I actually almost poked, you see that stick coming out, almost poked my eye out with one of those sticks before. But yeah, I just have those, and like I said, everything, actually I didn't say that yet, but everything will be linked down below if I can find it. I just have these umbrella lights, and I really like them, and I've had them for a pretty long time, and the lights haven't like gone out or anything. And they also come with those little like clips right there for the backdrop or whatever. So yeah, so next to that I just have my monitor, and I guess that's a Feel World monitor. This monitor is really nice. I feel like it's very clear, and like the quality of the picture is really nice, and it has like buttons down there that I literally never use. Yeah, I think that came with like the cord and then like some other stuff. That's the tripod from the backdrop that I don't use, and I just screwed it because it comes with a screw on the bottom. If you know like how tripods or like monitors or cameras work, they usually have a little like screw. So the tripods have a screw on top of it, and then the monitors or the cameras have the little like bolt, not bolt, but like a circle in it, so you can just screw it on there. So I just screwed that one on there. I didn't feel the need to put it on like a ball one like that the camera's on, because I don't move it up and down. I literally, like, if it's straight, then like that's fine or whatever. And then I just have my camera, which my camera is a Canon EOS Rebel T6. Now I have some things about this camera. I like it. I think it's really good quality. Okay, sirens. And I think it's an okay beginner camera for the quality, and the way that you use it is very, very easy. But some downsides to this camera is that it stops recording after a certain amount of time. So if you do long videos, like makeup videos or just like cooking videos and stuff like that, videos that are longer than, like, I want to say it's like 20 minutes maybe, or like something like that, you have to keep getting up and getting back down to hit the record button. I'm trying to see if I can find a remote, but this camera doesn't do Bluetooth, so I think it's gonna be really hard to find like a remote. And also, like, you can use, actually I'll show you guys how I take my thumbnail pictures later or whatever, but there's an app that comes with the camera, but I don't think you can use the monitor and the camera, so just a little like default. Also, when you plug in the monitor, if you get this camera and this monitor and it doesn't work, you have to turn off the Wi-Fi for the monitor to be able to work. It's like a lot of, like, it's easy, but it's like a lot to like have to know for things to work. So it's like I don't think I'll be able to put a remote. Also, another downside to this camera is there's no microphone input thing for an external microphone, because technically DSLR cameras are supposed to be like all-in-one cameras. So this is supposed to be an all-in-one. The sound is pretty okay. I just wanted a microphone because sometimes my family's like talking in the background and I didn't want you to be able to hear them, but for now that's fine with me. The sound quality is fine or whatever. It doesn't autofocus, so you see how like it's moving right now there. You see how right here it has the box and stuff, and it'll like, well, the box is in the middle right now. I don't have it, so it like moves or whatever. You have to focus it before you press record. Like, it won't focus while you're recording, if that makes sense. So like if you have a product and you hold it up, it won't focus to that product. You'll literally have to like put it in the spot that you focused it before you press record, which is kind of annoying. So that's the other downside. But like I said, I think this is a very good beginner camera. It's easy to use. There's like a record mode like clicker thing like on the top that you just click to record mode, and then you press record, and it's pretty easy. But like I said, those are the downfalls of it. I got this camera for Christmas, but I want to say it's around $500 or something like that. Oh, and it also came with like a set, so it came with like another lens and everything, which is pretty cool as well. And then I just have this ring light. I did have a smaller one before, which I really liked as well, but I just wanted one that like encompassed, is that the right word, that just like went all the way around a camera or whatever. So this one's really nice. I got it from Amazon. I actually recently just got it for Christmas. It came with its own tripod or whatever, and like this is just what it looks like. It came with another like ball. If you guys don't know what like I'm talking about when I say like ball screw thingy, because it's not the right word that I'm using, but I'll put a picture here. These are really good to have when you have like a tripod and a camera, because if you don't have one of these things, then the camera will kind of be like how the monitor is, but it won't move like up and down, if that makes sense. Like, you know how some people, like I for instance, don't like when my camera is straight on because like it's not flattering to me. So I'll put the camera up and slant it down, but if you don't have that little ball circle bearing thing, then you can't slant it down. It'll just stand straight, if that makes sense. I also want to show you guys that on this ring light, it's really cool because there's like a power switch, and then there is these things that you can change the lighting color. Like you can make it warm or cool toned or whatever, and then you can also change the brightness, which is really cool. Also with the monitor, I forgot to mention that you do need to buy batteries for it. I'll link below the batteries that I got if I can find it. It also came with like a charging pack, which is really cool, and it was like a pack of 2, so it was a really good deal, I think. So I think that's pretty much all for my filming setup. I have, if you guys have seen my room tour, I have a vanity, Imprecious vanity, Hollywood lights that I turn on and like kind of turn. Okay, I'll just show you guys. I have this, so like I'll turn it on and kind of face it more towards the back of me, just so that like it's kind of like backlit in a way. So yeah, that's everything for my filming, like what I use to film and everything. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's simple in a way where it's just like two and then like a ring light, and it's pretty inexpensive too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. Let me know if this was like interesting, if this was like helpful and stuff, just because like I don't even know honestly what the purpose of this video was, just to like show you inexpensive cool stuff, because I think my setup and lights and stuff look pretty good, look pretty like true to like real life. So yeah, all the links, if I can find them, will be down below in the description box. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.